Hi there and welcome back. So far, you have completed a few significant tasks in this lesson. You applied the concepts of segmentation and targeting to gain insights about your customer. You identified the niche for your product or service. And you learned about consumption mapping, through which you can look at ways to add value for your customer. In short, you know quite a bit about the customer by now. But wait, there is more. You know what the customer in your niche needs, but how will you know if the customer is willing to buy your product? It is quite possible that the customer has an alternative, which is what Marcus found out after he launched his venture. Marcus had spent 10 years in the apparel industry. Using his understanding of consumer behavior in the office wear niche, he launched the apparel brand Smart & Sharp. The brand included shirts and trousers that were easy to maintain. The product was superior in quality and it was cheaper than similar products in the market. Marcus launched the product during the prime shopping season and offered it through all leading retailers. He seemed to have done everything right, but his product just wouldn't sell. The sales did not pick up despite introducing promos such as buy two, get one free. It was a better product and it was priced lower. Then why wouldn't it sell? Why were the customers reluctant to buy this brand? Because there were alternatives and the customers did not want to switch. Just like Marcus in our story, many entrepreneurs believe that if their product has a relative advantage over other similar products, the customer will be willing to switch. However, this doesn't happen most of the times. Expert entrepreneurs identify two factors for this. One, switching costs. Two, psychological biases. Let us look at each of these factors in detail.